Tip number 5 is your script. All videos need a beginning, middle, and end. It's the framework of a good story. It's super important that your intro is strong because you've got to grab the attention of the audience and keep them along for the ride for the rest of the piece. Your outro wants to have a call to action in it. Like, what do you want them to do at the end of this video? You don't have to sell it in every video, but if you want them to watch more of your content or follow you on another thing, just put it in there. The middle part of your story is actually the bit that should come easy. You're talking about stuff that you know about. Don't judge yourself, just let it flow and try and hit that time scale. Kia ora, it's Scott here from the Content Club, and this is just one part of our Getting You Ready for Video series that we've just made. There's 5 more videos right here for you to check out, and if you got some value out of this or you liked it, please give it a share and make sure you're following along to the Content Club on Facebook and Instagram for more videos just like this. Cheers.